Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Nebius, and as usual from the all-time low we can track an ABC pattern to the upside in a wave 1, then a very sharp decline in a wave 2, quite normal after an ABC pattern, oftentimes happens, and now we could be already tracking the third wave to the upside, and within the third wave we would expect also an ABC pattern. And within this ABC pattern, we could have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and we could be in the third wave up. We could expect a fourth and a fifth to complete the A wave, but realistically, it could complete after 3 waves in an ABC pattern. And looking at the smaller structure here, I don't really expect this supposed third wave to get necessarily to the 138.2% extension. It looks pretty close to completion, I would say, and yeah, I would really only expect a 4-5 and maybe another 4-5 pattern. I don't know, if we get to this level of extension, we can discuss this being a third wave and see continuation to the upside in a fifth wave, and I will provide you a support zone for that regardless. But for now, I will be very cautious that we only form really an ABC pattern here, and this would complete an A wave up. But we have to be also very careful, because since we have an ABC pattern here, if we complete a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it really could turn out to be only an ABC pattern and then have a much larger correction and even possibly break to new lows without a chance to really go higher. As you can see, it was quite a rapid and strong decline to the downside once this ABC pattern was complete. We retraced, let's see how much. Yeah, we retraced below the 78.6% retracement, did find support afterwards, but never mind that, because we still turned back to the upside. And I would say that we have a 5-wave move here, a 3-wave move here, and then we can see a 5-wave move here also forming. And I'm not going to label it exactly because this could either be an ABC or a 1, 2, 3. I will leave that for a bit later after we finish at least this next movement to the upside. And if we look closer, I would say that here we might have a something like a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then a third wave up, a fourth down, a fifth up maybe like this, and then we have this other 4-5 pattern that would complete this movement. And within this fifth pattern, I could see that we only completed here a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could really realistically expect like 2, 3, 4, 5 patterns here to actually complete this movement. And to provide you a support zone for this area, it would be between $67 down to around $62. And I could also argue that this correction even completed. We did reach the first level, we got into the support zone, and we are pushing higher, but so far we only have 3 waves up, and I could label this as an ABC pattern, and a resistance level that I could provide for this area would be between $68 up to around $70.4, and we got to the 61.8% retracement level. We found resistance, and right now on the very small time frame, on the 50-minute time frame, we could have already a 1-2 setup, and we could head directly lower into the C wave to the downside to complete a third, fourth, and fifth and complete the correction there. Now, if this B wave is actually complete, I could say that the expected, well, not the expected, but the ideal target for a C wave to the downside is the 100% extension of the wave A, being $64.75 level. Now keep in mind, it's an ideal target. It doesn't need to get there, it doesn't need to stop there, but for now these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.